Forgiveness is not only a fundamental virtue but also a practice that plays a central role in our lives and in the spiritual messages passed down through generations. Today, we will delve into the pages of the Bible to understand how forgiveness not only shapes our human relationships but also nurtures our mental and emotional well-being. Join us on this journey to discover the insights and wisdom that the Bible offers about the transformative power of forgiveness. Before we continue, don't forget to check the subscribe button below so that you can receive our daily videos with the Word of God. So let's get started. Emotional relief. Forgiveness offers immense emotional relief. When we forgive someone, we release the burden of resentment and anger that we carry. This allows us to experience a sense of lightness and inner peace. Instead of holding on to negative feelings, we can direct our energy towards more constructive aspects of life, promoting our own emotional well-being. Improved relationships. Forgiveness plays a crucial role in building and maintaining healthy relationships. We all make mistakes and hurt others at some point. By forgiving and being forgiven, we create an environment of understanding and mutual trust. This strengthens the bonds between people and allows relationships to grow and develop. Promotion of inner peace. Forgiveness is not only beneficial for interpersonal relationships but also for our own inner peace. Holding on to resentments and hatred can corrode our mind and health. Forgiveness helps us find serenity and mental calm, promoting a state of lasting emotional well-being. Personal growth. Forgiving is also an act of personal growth. It requires courage and maturity to face negative emotions and release them. In doing so, we demonstrate our ability to learn from past experiences and evolve as more compassionate and understanding human beings. The process of forgiveness often leads us to reflect on our own mistakes and imperfections. It compels us to look within ourselves, examine our own past actions and behaviors, and evaluate how we have contributed to problematic situations. This self-examination is a fundamental part of personal growth as it allows us to learn from our mistakes and evolve as human beings. Physical and mental health. Scientific studies have shown that forgiveness is associated with significant benefits for physical and mental health. People who practice forgiveness regularly have lower levels of stress, anxiety, and depression. Furthermore, forgiveness is linked to a stronger immune system and a longer life. A more harmonious world. Imagine a world where forgiveness is more common than resentment. It would be a world with fewer conflicts, less hatred, and fewer divisions. Forgiveness can be the foundation for building a more harmonious and peaceful society where people treat each other with compassion and empathy. In summary, the importance of forgiveness cannot be underestimated. It offers emotional relief, improves relationships, promotes inner peace, fosters personal growth, benefits physical and mental health, and contributes to a more harmonious world. Cultivating the ability to forgive not only benefits ourselves but also others and society as a whole. Therefore, we should embrace forgiveness as an essential virtue in our lives, just as our God embraced and taught. I hope what was said in this video has been enriching for you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to receive more updates, don't forget to give a like to this video to receive our daily videos. Thank you for watching up to this point, and see you in the next video.